Open na.
Just look at the world around you, right here on ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you're looking for under the sea?
Dance na.
Under the sea.
Dance.
Everything's better down here in water. Take it from me.
Dance.
Up in the shade, work all day. Out in the sun to slave away. Where we devote them full time and floating under the sea. Down here the fish are happy as I stood up with the moon. In the land of them happy and under the sea the birds. But fishing their fall is lucky. They're on for the place to sleep. One day when their boss gets hungry, they want to be on the plate. One more under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody eat us or fry us and eat us in the sea. What's the land across the cliff, and then the fish were off the hook. While you are swimming under the shell, not in the sea. You are swimming not in the sea, but on the shell. Yes, that is straight away. We got the urge to start to play. We get the spirit, you got to hear it under the shell. You're swimming under the shell. You know you did, you swim. Wait, no, the mermaid is standing. Kenya, you might fall. Do not talk like that. Under the sea, you move your hips. Let them keep the